nice. I suppose it's time for me to think about supper as well. Let's see now. The winds are out of the south, southwest, and the tide is low. I believe it is, nautically speaking. Very well done. Blow the man down, oh, blow the man down. Hey, ho, blow the man down. A fisherman's song. Don't pull too hard. Tony's up. Oh, push! You gotta... Looks fine to me. Don't you think you should... I mean, even though you already caught a very nice fish, it might be wise for you to, keep fishing. Where are we fishing? What is it? Well, that's not a trout. Maybe it's a flounder. Looks like a halibut to me. My favorite cat. Whoa! I don't know. There's something on my line that's big. That was close. We'd better turn the boat around. What do you think it is? Let me help. Don't let it get away. It's a whale. It doesn't look too friendly. Throw it back! Oh, no! Right here, little bear. Scared? Me? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Not at all. Oh. Little bear. Your fishing rod. There's your fish. Oh, I couldn't, Mother Bear, but thank you, it was scrumptious. Little Bear already fishes very well, don't you think? Exactly, just like his father.